Hey guys, now I promised I was gonna play this, the DLC, the Secrets of the Maw. Let's play Secrets of the Maw. Yeah, let's play Secrets of the Maw.
Can you teach me how to bite into an apple? I don't know how.
Can you teach me how to bite into an apple? I don't know how. Seriously? Just get into it.
Alright. Oh wait, I'm swimming.
Alright. Oh wait, I'm swimming. No, let me out.
What?
What? Wait, this is...
Where did everyone go?
Where did everyone go?
I think this was before.
Guess I'm not going this way. I think this was before 6 came. Yeah. I'm this boy. What should we name him, yo? Has a blue shirt.
Okay, yeah.
This is a boat. Okay, yeah, this is definitely different. Wait, this is where 6 was last time. Please. Think we're going down? Almost died so many times doing that.
Why is this disabled? Why is this turned off? Not turned off.
Why is this disabled? Why is this turned off? They're not turned off last time. You know what'll be funny? Oh, I have no idea what. Hey you! Wait for me!
Yeah, I died. I wanted to hurry up and get her.
Yeah, I died. I wanted to hurry up and get her, bro.
Huh? What? You left it here? You're lucky that you're going to be eating. Because you don't get sick as much as I do. If your nose never bled before, now you get sick more. So we're disregarding
So we're disregarding immune systems entirely. Wow. I most certainly don't agree to your guys' recent searches. I need to get to that lady though. I'm here. Let me come on with you. Oh. What the heck? Have to grab this or something? Oh yeah. This looks like I'm gonna name this person after Stranger Things. I know this is a guy, but we're naming him 11. I mean, y'all see it, right? The girl died. Yup, she definitely got killed. Ew. Ew, bro. There's those ooey gooey guys. They're like leeches. They're like ink leeches. Oh, 11 is 9. Somebody definitely just got killed.
Oh yeah, she died for sure. But whoever killed her,
Is it nothing? Oh yeah, she died for sure. But whoever killed her, it gave her a totally full nude self, bro. Like, I have already figured out the thing that took her is probably a pedophile.
Why is every single one of these people want to sleep? I don't know about.
Why does every single one of these people know how to swim?
But every single character
I don't know about Crow or Handy because I never seen them swim once. But every single character that I have played can swim. Can swim.
Oh,
Ew. Gross. Oh.
there is something in the water. And I'm gonna go out of here.
There is something in the water. Yeah, I'm gonna go out of here, man. Get to saw that, yo. There's a shark. What are we gonna have to fight a shark? Yeah, we're dead. Alright, we gotta kill them now. Okay, that looks like an octopus at first. Hey! Hey! What's up? Oh my gosh.
Please don't say that's the all-seeing eye.
Let's see, that's the all steam on again. I think there's. Wait, we can flood the whole thing. Let's flood! I don't think the flood works. Also, I heard something whenever I finished the flood.
I'm so terrified because there's something in the water. There's something in the water.
I'm so terrified because there is something in the water. There's something in the water. Well, let me get this out. Oh. I'm hearing heartbeats. You know, whenever you're hearing heartbeats in this game, something bad is probably gonna happen.
Let's go! Ah! Oh my god!
Let's go! Ah! Oh my god!
Yeah, bro, that is a shark. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. That is not
Yeah,
a
bro,
shark.
that is a shark.
Yeah, that is not a shark.
That is not a shark!
Dude,
Yeah, that is not a shark!
Yeah, you ain't.
That is not a shark! Yeah, let's get on this couch. Oh my gosh.
No.
Dude, that thing pushed me off. Yeah, you ain't doing nothing. Blah. No.
Whoa.
Alright, get on, get on.
Run.
Oh, no, never mind.
Come and get me. Yeah, you ain't getting no. Come on, oh.
Come and get me. Yeah, you ain't getting no.
I'm terrified right now. I don't know.
Oh.
It's pushing me.
Ah!
Stop.
I am so genuinely terrified right now. I do not know what to do. It's pushing. It's pushing the stuff. Now, will I be able to get all the way to that ladder down there or not? You know what? Let's just keep on jumping. Alright, let's go. What?
It's like the.
Bro,
It's like
what
a
was
shark.
that?
I don't think. I never thought that.
It's like a shark. I don't think sharks are actually able to like bump stuff.
That's not a shark.
So it's either I am so definitely cooked. That's not a shark, that's a human. That is definitely a human. You wanna know how I know that?
So it's probably not a shark.
I don't know if sharks are able to like bump things like that. So it's probably not a shark. It's probably like a human. And also I saw the hands.
Why do we need to be in here anyway?
So it's definitely not a shark. Why do we need to be in here anyways? Why are we swimming at all? Like, 7, you could have went the way that 6 went. I mean, 11. But actually, I feel like 7's better. Let's just call them... Okay, never mind. Bro.
Alright, let's run! You won't get us.
Alright, let's run! It won't get us.
Alright, let's go! Whoa!
Oh, alright, let's go! I know you ain't gonna get me. Yeah, come and push me off. I bet you won't. Yeah, you definitely. No! Alright, he wasted his time pushing that. Alright, we can get on the suitcase. What's it called? The suitcase? I think that's a suitcase. I don't want to do this. This is so terrifying. Do
I
I have to?
This is Little Nightmares. Yeah. Oh! Yeah, I'm hiding.
I have to
Yeah,
do this, bro.
definitely. I saw their head. I saw their head. I saw their head.
This is Little Nightmares. Yeah. Yeah, I'm hiding. Yeah, that's definitely a person. I saw their head. I saw their head. I saw their head. Come on, let me on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Run! Alright, go! Go, 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 go up! Get up!
What? Alright, go! Go, 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 go. Go up! Get up! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my! Let me get to that block. To this crate.
I got past that. Alright, yeah, I'm
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, goodbye.
Oh my goodness.
In the air.
I got past that. Alright, yeah, I'm flooding this mofo. Yeah, goodbye. You're gonna drown in the air. That's probably like... Oh yeah, something definitely tried. Yeah, you tried to stop me. Oh my gosh, yeah, that's where the body was. See, that looks exactly like the girl's hand.
Oh, it definitely looks fish. I know what's going on.
Oh, okay. I think it likes fish. Oh, it definitely likes fish. I know what's going on. Ooh. Yeah, go get that fish. Little maggot.
Let me tell you, it's nutritious. Let's go!
I told you to go get that fish.
It ain't my fish.
Let me tell you, it's nutritious. Let's go! Alright. It ain't my fish. Now you ain't coming back no more, aren't you? Oh! Okay, I thought I was getting grabbed. I genuinely thought I was gonna get grabbed. There's nothing here. Yo, is that a mouse? Oh wait, there's a crate. Oh! Bro. I did not see that there until I was pushing the thing down. We need to do something about the height. Why is this place small, but the other places are like massive? Alright, never mind. I already know what I gotta do anyways. Bro, I hate this. Aha! Oh! No, get me out of here, get me out, get me out. He's probably not here. Yeah, you hear that? That thing is like rattling around every time I mess with the water. Also, I think there's a something in there. Okay, never mind. I think this is good enough. What?
Why did it?
Die. I hate you. Die. I hate you. What? Why did it? Let's just close the door on that mofo. Ha! He closed it. We just electrocute this whole place, and that thing is probably gonna die. Please! Let me off!
Oh, wait, I know.
Okay. Oh, wait, I know. I figured it out. Let's drain all that real quick. Alright, let's set this fella down a little bit. I think there's ground. Oh yeah, there's definitely some ground. Alright, this is what I was doing like last time. Alright, yeah, this works. What I mean by last time was when we were closer to ending Little Nightmares 2, and I was literally just messing with that shopping cart trying to get into that TV. It took a really long time for me to actually get past it. Bye.
Oh, seriously?
Oh, seriously?
Alright!
Wait, can I make that? Oh, never mind. I can't. Alright!
How long was I doing this for? 32 minutes. Are you serious?
How long was I doing this for? 32 minutes. Are you serious? Ah! 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 Well, since you can't go down that hole, we gotta go over that thingy bobber. Look at it, bro. It's what is that? Like,
melted ice cream horror game.
is that like the face of a melted ice cream horror game person? Oh, it like capture kids and stuff. Look at it, it went down there as soon as it found out it got compromised.
Boom. Yeah, you ain't getting me. Get on there, hey! Let's go!
Yeah, you ain't getting me! Get on there, hey! Let's go!
Hey, bro.
All we have to do is like... Okay, bro. You know what? I'm giving him some meat. Oh, he was chasing me.
He's being lustful. He's lusting over me.
Remember, this guy don't know that I'm a guy? Seriously? He's being lustful. He's lusting over me, bro.
Tried swinging on the other person.
Tried swinging on the other person that he took, and then said,
Nah. Like a guy or a girl? Like,
wait, is this
thing a guy or a girl?
is melted ice cream man like a guy or a girl? Like I'm talking about this thing. Is this thing a guy or a girl? Or is it neither? Probably neither, bro. Probably the nether from Minecraft. Ah! Yeah, we running away from it like that?
Come on, man. Can't just run away from the truth. I'm gonna make a whole documentary on you.
Ah! Come on, man. Can't just run away from the truth. I'm gonna make a whole documentary on you. Actually, maybe I shouldn't do it. He's just gonna keep doing it even more.
I did not make it. Dude.
I did not make it. 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 Really? yes, I made it. Is there anything that I can like distract him with? I'm on this boat. I can make it onto that wood over there, but the thing might end up killing me. And also, he's not Rex. He's right next to it.
Do you want mossy seafood or something?
Can you move?
I bet he wants something to eat from me.
What do you want, mossy seafood or something?
Fuck away
You
from
want
me!
mushy carrots? I bet he wants something to eat from me. Get the fuck away from me, my. Yeah, Brody thought. He really thought. I could have died and I catched onto there quickly enough. Oh, okay. First of all, I went the wrong way.
You know what we should do? We should probably put some Drano inside of the water. We should put Drano inside of the water.
Nah, guys, you know what we should do? We should probably put some Drano inside of the water. We should put Drano inside of the water. Then the thing will die because Drano is toxic. What? What?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, I just don't trust getting in the water right now.
You gotta climb back down it. Okay. Oh, what's on the outside? Where am I?
I quit my job, bro.
I see a light.
Okay, never mind, it won't work. Bro, what's on the outside? Where am I? I see a light. So it's probably like something. All right. I already know I'll be able to make that jump, and it's really closer to the other side, so I'll survive. That's my logic, y'all. Where did my key go? Where's my key? Why'd you leave me? Come on, I do not want to grab a can. Alright, I'm just gonna put this right here. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna put this right here. So I can grab it when I'm doing this. And I can throw it all the way over there when I'm done. Come on, 7. Stop second guessing your decisions again. See? Frick!
I can hear the struggle in 7. Seriously?
I can hear the struggle in 7. Seriously?
Can I come?
Bro, I hate this. Can he come? Okay, can he come? Stop it. What the? Dude.
Stop second guessing. You're just like 6, bro. Every time I see 6,
7, stop second guessing. You're just like 6, bro. Every time I see 6 doing something or pressing a button, she would second guess her decisions and not press. This is... Oh...
Oh, I hate. I genuinely forgot about that. It's so long. I keep on forgetting about stuff. Oh, I keep forgetting about stuff, but then I remember.
Let's get our light. I genuinely forgot about the light until now. I keep on forgetting about stuff. Oh, I keep forgetting about stuff, but then I remember it 5 seconds later. If I needed it, if I was like struggling with something, I'd be like, why did I think of that sooner? You were just lounging there? Oh, fuck. Why am I like not drowning? I'm like struggling for my life to not die.
Alright, what's our time to go anyways? Let's grind.
Alright, well, it's our time to go anyways. Let's
Drowning.
ride. it's drowning. It's the Titanic. There's a platforms over there. But it sounds like the cooking theme in that one place. Like that? No way.
Oh, you thought I wasted your time? Let's go.
Oh, you thought I wasted your time? Let's go. There's a TV right there. You know what I'm thinking.
Almost died.
Oh! Let me go. Okay, almost died. My life is on the line. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to kill it once and for all, but without killing me. I already know that thing wants me dead. I mean, it's been trying to kill me this whole time. Alright, I have no idea what channel this is right now. That, the TV channel.
I hate you!
I hate you! Can I come? That'd be fun. I wanna join you. I wanna watch you guys do ice skating and stuff. Mom, aren't you gonna go shopping too anyways? I'm like your biggest... Well, maybe she will. Well, I think it's time to end the video now. Because we have already escaped. I'm just gonna wait for the next checkpoint. Well, I think this is gonna be the next chapter. Oh, no! I survived! Well, guys. 6! This is me. So close, you'll do better next time? What? Ah, yo. Nah.